let me talk to you for a second, brother. I used to think you was a stand-up guy. You know what I'm saying, man? I used to like looking at your podcast and all of that. But lately, bro, you've been going out sad, being a Corey Holcomb Frank holder, man. You don't disagree with this man on nothing he doing right now? Like, with the Anton Daniels, like, daughter thing, even slapping the lady in front of the stove, like, lying everywhere, talking about little kids, allegedly. Bro, like you don't disagree with none of that stuff, bro. You just gonna sit there and ride for this man. Then you trying to fight all his battles, bro. Like you being exposed, bro. You being exposed to somebody that'll do anything for money, and it ain't looking good for you, fella. And I don't think nobody speaking on it, but y'all, Craig Fest is a yes man. And he's the biggest yes man we done seen in a minute. Y'all get down in the comment section below.